Timu bia kunyama abatwira ground kandi mukukitera ba Foot Soldiers abaryaha Kali and Kahima our Western Queen TikToker. Thank you so much for coming. Sime media personnel abaryaha Nindeba Moyo TV, ndeba KR Media, ndeba Kora Business HTV, Mkore Media n'abandi mwena Mukiga TV n'abandi mwena abaryaha na n'abandi abakija tubasemera kimwe. So briefly I think we should do introduction no gambizina na necho kukora simple ditebo yone tukujeruka akubana bakuhereza speeches ninza kutandikira aba media kujaba kwate batayiba utandikira ariyo gondi hi
mbabari kuja mwena amazina baita MC follow UPC Mukiga TV. Thank you so much.
Ngume mtero munga
amazina banyita MC Big Man director Moyo TV mwebale munonga
waye kwata
Tonkwata amazina yanyita Sumani Kore.
okay
Tobadeki gwa kugobye
mtero munga waye goka baby
Nubanyita Mashoes Nawakubo Ngwimweshongozi and I'm the manager of the Guest Band.
Thank you so much. So twagendera kimwe
Karen Kahima TikTok influencer.
Queen wa Western
yo Baraka
mwebali kwija twabakira kanuzire PJ pork joint abakiri mugamba ngira PJ kanuzire pork joint enyama bia munyama zina ni Iceman DJ TV West
omukarakas
kale so DJ made in Mbarara. Yes, thank you Mr. Mazima aya nake wako evali
se amanya bamta DJ X-Wire tirakubera nyone legend
Usna Team A Banks bia
ni wo muzindaro gwisia muzindaro gore
Mazina banyita Bianca Team A Banks ndi manager ombyanje
ego byenyine byo nambari
Team A Banks bia kunyo
Sheila Team A Banks bia kunyama.
It's Shaima Promotions, Team A Banks, Stroke Beer Kunyama.
Okay, you know what's garayo
niwo wenka
abenyuma bona ni team bia kunyama kanuzire pork joint amazina ninza kugabasindikira nyowe ninye serebu wambarara Beyazini ZDJ kandi ninkore bintu byinshi. Otherwise I'll go straight to the event organizer at Shoro oriyo kwa seresimu ni bamwita tumi transitions so let us go to A Banks kandi event organizer wabia kunyama atugambere ebikuchira.
Thank you very much. The MC of the day, Mr. Beyazin Slebu Ambara. Amazina and Amanya Peter Banks, our CEO A Banks Events, and a man behind this very event. It is launching. It is over. It is really happening on 25th August. This very Sunday. It's a new event in town, and trust me, you haven't had any kind of an experience like this one. Trust me. Yes, ekine chivuru eksia omurimbara na naburenje wizoba ahabokuba nabageta Bia Kunyama Festival stroke grand opening of Kanuzile PJ and restaurant. Yes. So we've been in existence and you've really supported us. Mutajire twasharo twagira ngu reka twigurogo mwanya officially as we are giving back ahari mwabe mbatajira ntaka jire hari mnonga gamba more about the event. On the panel, I do have a representative of Kanuziri Pork Joint and Restaurant, and I have one of the best DJs in Uganda, Legend, and I have one of big talent in Imbara when it comes to music and production, and I have a big man from Pepsi heading Aquafina. He's one of the sponsors, our Wasakwija, but we have a lot of sponsors, okay? So the cover and then we go on. Yes. Thank you.
Zina Julius Mwisije, you work with Pepscora from Barara.
Yes, Nijamwa Bahura. So I'm going to start with thanking everyone who have supported all media houses, artists, and the team, Ebanks and Bea Kunyama. So you're so beautiful. I see you, my people. Thank you for coming through. Yes, Katukumizem, Bea Kunyama, it's an event that was thought about kugira ngo eveho ereta abantu bona kuterana abine passion ninga shi muri yakweti nko kuna kwasa kigamba but abantu abo kwasa kusharing ebintu every common in terms of abinogo muhimba. Thank you Simba. Yes, tukagireta kugira ngo abantu beterane by making a new friends beyongere kumanyagana abine passion ya drinks, eats, and I've come to know most especially abantu kuza kuganira for business people nihimura manyire either you have people on ground or not, because into that is a platform. If you're there, you know you have a business ekwatine ebyo kunywa ebyo kulia, we welcome you. Isha of the platform to showcase your business, make connection, and have fun at the same time. So Bea Kunyama, it's here to stay. This is the first edition, and we shall be going through all regions. Twarga hanu yantuza kabade, Twarga kabade yantuza Fort Portal. After Fort Portal, we are heading to Kampala. So Kabale people, Fort Portal people, and Kampala Central, we are coming. This is an event that has come to stay. Kani Bashaba Wakasakoba Aine. Anything to add on this event na Bashaba. Mwije ntubachira ka Ebanks event na Kanuziri PJ. Mwije mtu joining to making a shangweche chivuru ni ashi event ya jire chamane chi ya creating like an impact to this country, because generally a JT kujanza having a fun chonka, but even business people will be making sales kanza kwa tonjana na mushoro gwachi gweri hanga. So mwebare nebye bice na sharing aho reka abamwe abija nabo bagambeho abeshongozi, but I'm going to start with the sponsor owishiraha atugambira habwachi apikinjire kugira ngo abe part of this event. Thank you.
Gabare mnonga kama nzeno kusiba media houses abija a press conference for Kanuziri kani sima na nokwata nsokumwine, because this shows teamwork, because I've had the media houses, they are from different stations, so meaning Mbarara Ermune Kurakurana, which is very good. And if we keep together, I'm sure this will be the best city in Uganda. So nisima banks ahabuko organizinga ubwo mukoro nko kwiyakigamba. It's about to making people come together, eat, share, enjoy, and that's life. Because at the end of the day, life is about sharing. So at Capron Beverages, that's Pepscora, we are privileged to be part of it, and nchutuhereza chance yo kwika abantu narashi imwe customers bitu kubagaruza, because you've been there for us and you have supported us. We appreciate, more especially kwika hamizgitu aga, you have really given it all in the whole country. Agamizi twagaronkingira Kampala kunka gamanyugo mu ihanga ryona ahabwambara, and it is you. So we appreciate this, and we pledge to keep together, supporting one another. It's not that we have a lot of money kunka ntujezaho na kache akakubaka roho. We keep together, we work together, we share, we enjoy together. So nija kubahamza wahijobe bye biraba na betaro Sunday, everybody will be well hydrated. Yukorije wanyu akakusharira umanye gwa kofina neza gukora ki ne kugarura level nakanyamane katambura kurungi. So mwe bare munonga abantu mwene mwije, we enjoy. Thank you very much.
Yes, njamwa ihura yotaka yuko asoti mpire ngone bia kunyama mwene tabata kunywa bia twazai no Aquafina is there for you. So mwije tunyumere, then out. Yes, the katufune ukugamba kwa representative Kanuzuri.
Peter Banks everybody biza kubanza no gushima, but on behalf of Kanuzuri, I'm so sorry, this I'm speaking on behalf of CEO. So maybe I'm taking a CEO Angeleza na Muguma. So konka tuchukuzubira press conference ukagenda nyinshi. So to going forward, Peter Banks kama nzino kusima ava umurimo gwokozire ututikirebiye konka utakafayo asande naco n'ucendera naco tuzumucinde nsima na timu yawe ukorara na mwitororo mutakuryama aba Kanuzire Pop Joint nsima Peter Banks ikivu tukitebekanise ikiza kubaho ahasande ukizo 25 konka abanyangore binefumu bagira ngo umukono gukwa nubwo gukora cyo nubwo gukurusivinga so mbweru itwentushita ko kugabana. Yes, Peter Banks achisire bia kunyama konka twaza kuchiteka umuru rwito rw'abanyangore ntushita kugabana. So Kanuzire zirimo kugira ngo ishemeze mba customer bayo. You know, supporting business from day one up to now, it is not something easy. And keeping friends and customers around you, really, chubachinda osimi na mutata kusima really na wewe ngwa kubala. So customers vitu mtubasima kandi tuchongera kubasima. It's not that we are going to stop on 25th support thanking you, but we are going to keep on. So kandi mtubashabani mwenjere kwisha. Nuwo kubana umanyo ndijo muntu atakizire na umweta Kanuzi kugira ngo izoberyo na narwakora taho tugume tushemerirwe tugume turyakanyama kitu tunyoka bia kitu mwe bari mnongo ntaka hendiri niza no kusima sponsor Aquafina Pepsi we bari kutrustinga no kwiza kutwasa mu go simana nayo breweries ambassador wabari ya Mr. Uyire hevyo kugono manyosha rubona. So mwebari munonga katubendeze ukwishaje 25 tuchakare tunywe amazuma twere mpaka kurira buri. Tutabantsiye bari munonga.
Yes, Njamwavura, representative Kanuzire Pork Joint and Restaurant. For you have been supporting us from day one. So this is the time kujja tuba garuze. That's why this event is free of charge. Okay? Let's hear from legend.
Okay, thank you so much. Nimbaza nokusima organizer Wechivrechi, Mr. A. Banks, my brother, my good friend from day one. Everybody chiwa kuze chakavi. Ngaraka sima team ya A. Banks events. Mukozero muno kwa manu mnonga. Thank you so much. Like Ovya no tambara, ovani bara, ovano mchachi, ovani nkai, oshanga at least ka fraya ka bia kunyama. At least tok tambrizo wataugi no mana jwe t-shirt ya bia kunyama. Team, thank you so much. Maraka sima aba mahorore. TV ni nyingi ziriato kaziga mama zina muzavayo. Kamera zironi nyingi. Mwebale munongo munomugu mukora. Mugwa manu munongo. Influencers mwebale kwatira Wechivrechi kabasa kuba nimkubanza ngambe okache ka ambassador wa Nile Breweries tuli ready serving Wechivrechi ibirabe na tano. Asante. Tuza kunywa kuyo mukasheshe tusiba tunywe turara tunywe paka busesire kandi pa mzanti ezoverio bia storajinwera akabeya kutiro tujinwera hati ni kuchendera kwenda nguburiyo mafone because bia kunyama kanu zire pork joint ni kuvani gavura ene celebrating so za kunywera chumwe amarwaga roho mbwinji kama wanje Uncle Matthias tia wasakuija kukagira mbereho but anytime nakubana tujoininga nakubana ishi so izoverio nimbasha batumwe kinairo niyo bia yetu tumwe kinairo izoverio twase kushimero mwebale mnongo. Then aside there DJing, I'm called DJ Ronnie, the legend DJ in Uganda. Bakubya ka Uncle Evanyongera ka president wa DJ Iceman na Kagana. Nene ngamba adachigumira kuba yansangaho. I know gumakirize tize president wa mwe ate no bafuga mpaka. So izoverio iriyo birabira na bitano. Abari kureba TV, abari ya social media, ni mangu awe n'abari bakwa live, abari mbareba. Irizo andiza kuba rizo bari byafayo. Ibirabira na bitano. Nizo bari byafayo. Because entertainment eroho nyompindure nize na umbe ningete kuka. Tichachira na chivuru igine kuka yo mwaka. Because one oreba list ashango inabe shongozi 15 plus oine ba DJ 15 plus ihango necuro wakushesha twine meshazinga abirnina twine ba entertainer bokurenga umuri yashatu na batano secho kumasa ngutsa kushemerwa eshaha asha. That's why nyambe ni shawati organizer wa event eji irizo dekatuhinduremo atevenka batu kwa tero na dumayinja ubwo no myaka ya Iceman tume Iceman 1 hour rona dumayinja za stage hariya Iceman azari rona dumayinja yishongore byeshongoro biri DJ Iceman atereho bibiri niyo myaka ya 1 hour imumurigyo second hour bakwatera sachazi na roni spini bamuteke hari bakwate musyo tuineyo hari gendo ndizo DJ musyo tumuhereze Sky 1 hour bateri kozi turaka uri omwe ashemerwe afune cyari kwenda nubwo arakora ki twenda tukore record ebetaka kozi ruho mu Western Uganda ikivuro cyo gita abantu kandi cyo kushemerwa tukwate eshazo na tuzigabane noho ndijo mukuru aho turahereza mukade Albert ari myaka yabaza fact zamani yo gukanda sa kumugara mbatwa hansa shayino mchiga shayino mchiga kaho twatureba arist shayino mchiga tumereza medo by the way medo akari DJ wa manu mnongo so na yaga kumchuma na kitera garaka yishungura tukokwe so twatwenda tugawane tuti irizo Mr. Event tuyabe entertainers ndubarengasha tunabatanga ihangwe ndeciro twine shaha nezingayi abirnina so buri mweshongozi umuhe DJ na MC buri mashemero JK's na banks so on that day batume tubeta tubishengereze kivureki ikirunge batuje cyo kushashura futamu but at least muje mu corporate muvuireje munyerire sibaha tunywe turiye kanuzire pork joint egawiri cause ne celebrating umwaka gumwe umuhereza kandi mbamya ku from day one teka to disappointing Iceman ubujuruzo bwine iriza wacerebera obo wetachi obaju waburu kusha so abo kubokinga abo kwenda hafi yo no bajurubona booking bucirikare kuba tikumanya Mr. Director na management yeye ubatsa kuzaka history yezinde turayongereho cause ni tunatwafuna like 200 ziratumare on that day. So guys mwije ikivuro cyo pushing amunonga ni pamya badije mweno kumuri aristi abariyo no bareba nabararebe videos nabarega TV pushing ikivuro iki no mutuma gumwe kire kundi because Mr. Director detake yajure ronka yija no muntu with from day one mukuru wa event no muntu with from day one. I remember back time turushtamira turukora kagondi kitu by the katwina company kitu karungi akweno bageta agand events kaka karya kitu washatu abakonka abashuma bakatahamba kiwa but ikabera idea from there turukushtama bachirukombe kubutubu turukubera we that's why tutarege buri chora bakati cyariyo ngatuplaninga so thank you so much abanyamakuru mwe bari munonga influencers and marketing team. Thank you so much.
Speed Master kandi kantu arugomugisha before we go to JK Nyanjure director Kanuzi Pork Joint and Restaurant inebi abimteganise but is here now, so greet our guys and they tell us more about the event.
Guys, waga mimi nteganise mtu na basa kugira ngo nani ndakemwe akonkana nyine bice binani nkora. Otherwise, thank you so much ladies and gentlemen n'abashemererwa kandi mwe bari kwija ecyangu munonga nashanga ikirunjo mukuru ya kigambire iki nantakapira munonga no kugira ngo I have a team and my team I believe in you ngo kintu mbaza kukikola and you can. Okay, so nantakapa kugira ngo nyirukange tuka konka as a director ningambira bona bari kubona batureba ningashabara turebe kandi ningambira ba customers bitu ngwitwe tare bituru tukora byo nakweraga just to tukora aba ba customer bitu aba supporting it from day one up to now. We are Kanuzire because of you. Can we believe in you and we believe in ourselves. Ikintu tuzakukora kandi tuzakutebekanisa kandi tubeta umwije ito tuze kintu kitu ejini grand opening ya Kanuzire and bia kunyama festival kandi festival neza kubeta korara kandi it's abako bichenga ninka bintu bibiri at once. Abako it is grand opening and bia kunyama festival first edition. Echikuma nsangu bia kunyama neza gumizamu then na celebration za kugirachi neza gumizamu. So evidently intebutara kome so nsima sponsors bitu abatiri mesente as you can see
Nairo Breweries, Aquafina, Tim Baker, Mwezi Sako, n'izindi sako zona na banks zindi zona n'abandi bona batutire makasente. Tubasimira kimwe mnonga kandi nabo kuteka mesente ekintu cyo kubanza. They believe in us and we believe in ourselves. Tino tura disappointing. Team yetu ukora nayo tubasima mnonga abo pushing ekintu eki. Icyakandi mutaka ruzinga muraro. Nomanye kintu kuba kitandika but challenges no basa kuzamu. But don't mind about challenges. Let us mind about our success. Kandi ni baragano so kugira ngo we are going to succeed together. Okay? Ekindi abeshongoza butubagambeire nibaza kweshongora. Kandi ni manyongo haruna bandi abari kuza kwija abo kutukunda kandi abarije kutugera ngo batereze omusi. Ninyango kintu kibe kintu kiri international kirishe guma kige cyakano ziri kuko umuntu ari kuteka teka. Grand opening twagikora ko kaneza ko bane celebrating wa annually. Okay? So now bia kwenye moyoni za kumzamu audition za kumana zikorwa everywhere. Kabale, Kampala, Fort Kasese and our team, please be ready for that. Ekintu kizagumizamu akwati kiteka tekiro bire bulingo. Ahandi no kugira ngo sponsors betu tubaragana so kugira ngo tumukuza kuba disappointed. In fact na buri umwe nayibuza ngo abantu tuzakubatari akabantu botu bine kandi abantu batpromising kwisha kandi abantu baza kutwagira when every product it's sponsored kateka message zayo tina hera bekoze rerose. Okay? Ekindi nyina kutora mucho kusima team kanu zire since day one, managers, supervisors, nimbasima na kimwe mnonga abo kugira ngo ebyona kunoja gutumana gani umuntu kutekamo rwere byakubira bitakugera ki byakubira bitakubikaho. So turonchi komye bikureta kuza beya kunyama festival ntuza celebrations byona tubireta abo kugira ngo mutire mamani kandi nimbashire kintu kimwe. Please let customer be our boss. Not harna korwe birabira na bitano rwonka, but let it be for every day. Our customer should be our heart, our boss. I don't agree with you okunyeta bossi, and of course turukushimanya customer ni boss wetu. Abengi nimukimanya tinkunda kugira ngo munyete bossi. Abo kwanya umurkweta bossi nimbasa kumaranena kwibira ntaka nire nyama. Kunkanji kuzeregitira kandi mumeze ku serving. Nyotika lebro ku serving by the way. Tumukun serving ati nyoni nye boss. Am I the boss? Our customers they are our bosses. Okay? So nabe changes please. Muchure kurugari nye kandi mukizabazo mitima yanyu. Mbenu manyangu ba customer bitu tuino kubakwataje abo kubana bakamubitu. Kandi aro nakorwe nimbasha bo mutima gumwe. Tujiro mutima gumwe tukore abantu je. Bene cyo kurataho kibe kige cyo kugira ngo tube enjoying, okay? Kandi nimba promising ngo kugira ngo tino rabe feria omuri cyo kintu. Nzakustera mpaka musase kugamba bingi konka it's like abantu tubeta mwishe mutwagire kandi tweta ni mwabandi abarabe no batsupportinga harimo beshangozi abatsupportingire kandi abutwesire bakisha nimwe ntubeta naba DJs mwene ntubeta mwaba mwinena kuzanyu nicyo mugume mutwete nk'abantu nicyo tubahereza support. Otherwise I wish you the best.
Yes, thank you very much, Director Awan Mongereza, for those awesome words. Kandi yainjira ku emphasize na kugira ngo ba customers bitu tuchiriyo tubongere byamande kandi zaguma tubasavinga because you are our bosses. Okay? So mwe bari kumuteza sente zanyu mutuberaho buri kimwe. And right now, that's why nitshajumuka jya katuyugrogo mwanya officially ngo tuje kitwabahereza. Beka tufure words from GK's then tufune evuze.
Mwe bari mnonga. Amazina ndi GK's, an international artist and producer from Western Uganda, Mbarara. and I'm very happy to be here. And I really thank everybody who has come here to support Bia Kunyama Festival. One of the best providers in Uganda is Kanuzire Pork Joint and what? Yeah, and I'm very sure this event is organized by the right people. When we talk about Bia Kunyama, I believe we are not going to have pork alone, because these guys have everything. They literally have every kind of what? Of meat. So everybody out there, if you do prefer any other kind of meat, on that day, Bia Kunyama is providing everything. So make sure you tell a friend to do what? Tell a friend and come and enjoy with us. As an artist, I believe this is a very big opportunity to the Western Uganda industry and fraternity, the DJs, the MCs, the media personalities. Why? I've realized most of the event planners have made 20% of Western Uganda a prio, and very disturbing that most of us will be at home sleeping and events are running in town. So I want to appreciate Bia Kunyama for considering 90% of Western Uganda music. We really appreciate. We are literally not going to sing for free. Most of us, we are paid to perform on this day. And I'm literally wondering how you guys do it, to think about us and pay us even when the day is for free. It is very amazing. We've got over Bia Kunyama. One more thing is, I want to assure you, the performers that are on this list, they are going to perform and they are around. I'm talking on behalf of the what? The artists, because I'm very sure they're going to be around. And one thing I can confirm to you is the night is already successful. Whatever whenever you are now gig, whatever Beazini, just now Zawzam Nonga, Konkamo you when we are saving David. So I'll be performing as JKs and very many other artists, and our camera because I'll be very smart on that night. And yeah, because you know, make sure you come with your girlfriend, but make sure so Bia Kunyama, we are going to enjoy Bia.
To be supporting Jire for a long time. That is the right time na boba Jirechi, but supporting. Ekindi kyakandi tuli abantu ba Western kandi ntwikiriza ngo Kampala ekaba capital city for a long time, okay? So now need to have right now to the city. We have to develop all the talents that belongs in our city. DJs, MCs, musicians, na buli kimwe kyona. Tindikora ekyo kugira ngo nindeta ebintu nyoti nkunde ebintu bya nabeta ebintu bya adu call it. Kale tindi mukwahoro mu nganda ningo mu dini ndi ha kugira ngo promoting each other. Abantu abakuruga outside mbarra tuba promoting njiri. Kandi mwaba successful. Mwakore bivuro twabitaha nyowe personal am radio presenter nkozere na radio okumara emyaka 14. Okay? So now, ona tintire byeshongoro byabeshongozi bona ba Uganda. Ona nabantire byeshongoro byabeshongozi abakuruga heru ya Uganda, aheru ya Uganda, aheru ya Mbarra, ebya Kampala, ebya 40 nabambitire. Nayi mukaru nakoru nkajanta katikoza abantu bitu ba abantu abarije tubereke ngo there is a big DJ like Western Iceman DJ. Yes. Wachenga. So now
naba ni supporting go nimba ngwire nimba ntagwire. So now in case kwa ine mutima mbi mazumo tusasire konka this is the right time echeme kubantu e promotinga kandi echeme kontra support omu bantu bitu abutitwire naba akaje buri kimwe cyona kitizireki kikoziru byeshongoro burungi mu byeshongwiri music murungi mu mutire amazina mugakozire mbone ntwenda ngo tugume tutandikiraho tugumana twogera higuru not kugira ngo promoting kanuzire as nga business nyenka konkana DJ na wajiganyirwemo omweshonguze na wajiganyirwemo na nondi ijo na umukozi atari mweshonguze konka ine mirimo yarukora na wajiganyirwemo kandi tukwenda kugira ngo tsakoze abantu ba western bonka antu batwariga zamanya ninga shintu batwa collapsed nicho kurebera twinemo Leonard Mayinja. I think Leonard Mayinja takuruga mu western region. Okay? Kandi na audition zone turaze gukora nsako bantu letayo abeshonguze kurwa mu Kampala nebindi bicweka kandi tukagaruka tukakoza n'abantu bankayi n'abantu ba nicho kurebera twinemo shayino mu kiga kuno jangwe kintu cyategeka kujya ngo ne cyambara shano mu kiga tiwambara twinemo fact the man twinemo search solo twinemo samu wenyini. Okay, so ntukwata because ntwena ngo promoting each and everything. Me personally as already presenter and a businessman ninkunda ngutwena to growing ari abantu abunkuze nabo for example kogu oguno muntu this is DJ Don Spin Master niwe muntu wanyigise computer over quarter mouse but quarter mouse ya computer kuma computer ni makwata bat I thank him. Sit then echo ni nchigambira kugira ngo bunda baturebire bukuru nimbagambira kugira ngo tumukudiringa no muyayi. Sit then I have been with him and up to now turba badays aba hariho diru na jimpa na nyinani nanjine ninje mushomera akaba Spin Master icyo tukaturbato kandi ya 20 certificate tukaturbato mu computer na music omu DJing. Okay, ogulona akatandika kutera music akaryo myaka 14 akayabire Spin Master kokito tukaturubato omu everything tukaturubato mu town turubato mu computer turubato music but guy wo myaka yeito abire twine akaba yabire professional because akaba professional ro myaka mitomu no ndakaga mecho mukaza kutandika kumbarira myaka nabishikuru but ngoko kumureba ko zo mukato so tugo myaka kwingana so tukatandika kutera music twenda tukaturubato kokawaka kuzuro music na kanjira ngo nakishobora gitena gambo myaka. Okay, so now tukaturubato music kandi yatuguruminga no turabe tarabire wa professional DJs konkate list omo professional itwarabiremo gayi we yatuyambire kugira ki kurabaho nitwe tukarabo tukashanga turba ba radio presenter kandi ekitukorire kikatusyacho acyorokerizo. So ni mpiga mwene kandi nimbashaba ngo abarukora na Mungereza abakora na Kanuzire na timu ya Kanuzire mbeno manyangu ntitekwa kura twembi abo kwatinyine mukago ubwo kujya ngo nogwerizo kandi artists ninga shimwa beshongoze na ba DJs na beshengereza mbeno manyangu cinte kituruho tukora tindu kukikora nyowe nyenka ulando opening ti yanje nyenka kandi ti ya customer kuyija kujya poka ninga kunya bia wenka ntuteka ho mutindo go kugira ngo cyo kubanza tuwe hagire icyakandi tuwe promoting icyakasha twino promoting apoka noreba turana baziguruzo behind no baziguruzo myanye takushenguka ko kito tukarugayo twajizwe kechitin sechi gichemerire twazagati ya ste twajikorro buyonjo twagitebekanisa byo mwanya so no muntu yabana isha kurya poka umukanuzire nimbanye nango ijo tarukwere batera ujuru kumanya ngo mwanya ngo rukuzamo nemyanya ugwapoka nebindi biruho kokaba tipapazire 20 pushing apoka. Okay, kandi niye tushikiza then poka ni yeresere twagera hembuzi twagera henkoko twagera ho nebyenyanje byona byazaho ahabwabo abatari because forcing omuntu ko semere yatakugira ki yatakurya so twikiriza ngo umuntu agire choice ko kandi twikiriza ngo nubwo ari abayine choice mwikirize kuja kushita mu Kanuzire umwanya gwa poka konka shitame matungire mu busingi. Okay? Kandi ntubaraga so kugira ngo nza kumanza chikora no buyonjo za kufafagana nabwe mpaka turebere ngo twavusiya mwe. Nitegateka kugira ngo tugwacira umwanya gwa poka gonka. It is now Kanuzire Pork Joint and Restaurant. Umuntu noija oshitama oikikana bakwereza agacupa ka aquafina ukagotomera hurege. Not kugira ngo nabo kunywa marwa bakana bakwisha no. Ko kabiri umuntu wena jagire ki? So now abeshongozi ni mbeta mutwagire radio presenters abagenzi banje. And nintero muranga abantu ba media, radios, abari TikTok, TVs, ni mbeta ngoro nakorwe mwije ito turede kubakira ahabo kubeza business na neki kivuro nekitu eky'abantu ba media. Okay? Na n'umwanya gwitugwa ba media okugira ngo tushitamemo twanisirize mu bwoko twanisirize mu birohozo kandi twetungure tweyihe mwecho echo kuri umuntu no yitina ordijo tire cassette konka no hurra no tina kuje no jote nakore kivuro riare ni kibasika. Yes, kibasika abo kandi za kusupportinga kuturaza kivureki JK is a senior producer kandi musician. Abantu bindi tubakumanya wondi bamureba nibamurebera umukweshongora kokati bakumanya ngo ni producer owabeshongozi bingi batireza hiti kandi ari waziti. So urwo runakunaza kuba nayiruka cyenyine cyayine ne cyakuba natera because ne kintu cyugumira kushanga nk'umuntu tari kubasa kurya inyama konka nakutekere inyama ngo gato waramanya atangwe nyamero ziti. So umweshongozi ya producer yaba umweshongozi yakuterera ngoma yakuhereza beat nabana amanyangu nawe yanayishongora beat eri kumuhereza abantu eri kumuhereza vibe stage nabana amangu yaje kuhereza nogera ki notunga vibe. So nabona na testinga ahabya kugira ki ahabya rukora DJ noni ka spin one ba Iceman ba Alberto bonda ba DJs bashema kwana ikari akamanya audience yanje neha because ntubaza kuza ushange no tera music ngano gitera abantu babaturana bakogera tinza between different people from different areas. Sabantu maze ko bari yahabinje nimbanye nango hike onchakare ko razo kujote na tere chivuro cyanje mu rukabana umuntu shange na kujata tigaye tanka kureba chivuro cha bia kunyama ninga twantu jana ngo twatwara bia kunyama kabari ngutwareta Iceman omutajya toriya gaya katera music na hurage wachenga nore mwana uta. So now guys nimbashaba ngorwo runako reka twena tube active mutareba ngorwo nakurwa Kanuzire mutareba ngorwo nakurwa Peter oborwa Roni oborwa Enemont wena buri go marebere ngorwo nakurwa rukora ki exactly. So now nimbashaba ngo obutu akubasa ko batitesere tukujya gutora umweshongozi wa mani konka kurugera abantu bono ko rukubareba habinji bona. That is our team. Icyo kubanza ekitushaziremo kugira ngo tweta abantu bitu ba abinji tukuzire nabo baba brother bitu nabatkwatara onka babade. Okay? Abatari atutune parana nabo konko muntu zakwenyiganyiga tushanga nguru yare inamba isa yabampango ninga twatera mu buce buco butakwatagana budget yitu yakwatagana ne yabo konka tumanya ngo is time nza kubantu batuzire ki tubin. Okay? Mwana utakayi mukago tuti kashi kuba rende bakoze abantu ba Western munonga abwenci nankataramu nankana abataramu abwenshoka konka tumanya kandi tumanya ngo is time nza kubatubwina. Mwana mutakayi buzabinja bukujya nkarwa baba kabataro konka abantu kumkoreba ne binji kandi kurgira budget yito kweli ibase kwa accommodating abo. But I promise you next phase or next edition sakwantu ya footpotro tukagate tukabare tukisoro urudi abasoro barana otherwise ebi asigaye chawaka want to busy kare.
Yes, thank you very much Dr. Mongereza kandi byagamba byona nibutkwataho kandi bihesa omukoro ekitinisa. So let me just take you through ebintu bice ebya eventage then tugaruko wa MC atereze abeshongozi aba DJs abandi abatara hapano nabo batongere tereza iyo batewe kanise. So it's Bia Kunyama Festival first edition. It has come to stay. It is an event that we have to welcome. Ni event ejireho ngo kuna nabashorire abantu kwegita tukaganira tukakora connection elabense kuba ni twongera vanwani kandi na business people to make sales and get to know their customers, and people who do share the same passion, that's food, drinks and music. Okay, obe wagorire wajire kito aba obo haraba wachitakambe mwabugorire. Okay, but I want to hear from my team. Are you there? I want to thank you very much. Team Bia Kunyama Banks Events, are you there? Bia? Bia? Yeah. Okay. I come back very more of the shows that are between Gizoba. To Ronald Mainja, Ninjamana and Umanya for our customers 40 and above. Yes, we'll be taking back in the days, 70s, 80s, and 90s, and early 20s. So we get to Numere, can't Zakova Twine, JK's Mbareba Hanoya, Zakova Twine, Simba as well. She's in the house, the next big thing of Africa. Hey, portable size. Zakova Twine, Truth 256, Singraman. Hey, I know you know that guy. Zakova now here is a music. Straight out music. Then we shall be having Side Tisolo, a great man from Tisolo, okay, with some piano there. Then we shall be having Musio. Mamta kumanya Musio is a great man. Aine energy ya mani. So tuyo tukumiza mtuzenyi maguma tuihayo aba tandichiro music ya average with Banks MC and TJ MC. And the host of the night will be Samuel Nyini, and I myself, Peter Banks, MC. We shall be having a live band headed by the Gist Band, right? And we have the manager there, Nazakwana to Gabriel is here in rehearsals. Just to know, Rukova, DJ. Hey man, it's a party like never before. I want to make you know, or I want to let you know that this event, it's a one of its kind. So make sure you come through for the best experience ever. We shall have the VVIP and the VIP. Ordinary, we have VVIP and VIP. Table Z2, nemitwaro makunyata no na 1M. So make sure you book yourself a table. Kaneza kujira buri kimwe cyona echokunywa echokulia. Trust me, the table you won't regret. Awokuba, it's A Banks, the youngest generation promoter with
Nani shabatero mungare table mwebare munonga director Kanuzere Pork Joint and Restaurant we munonga A Banks and our manager OTSM Wambara CBL Kandi na Ronnie Spin JKs for representing Chaba tuzowa manager wa Gist Band akwane performinga or just to highlighting or be free in a minute or 2 minutes very fast.
Umugisha kwebaza organizers wa event eji nyoni banyeta Mushrooms, the vocal boy. I'm the leading singer of the Gist Band and at the same time I'm working as the manager. And tuenda kusima mnonga aba organizing event kureba ngo band zona kandi nite batori ni kujya ngo tube nito twa covering that event tubahereze live music ito turugamba bingi. We have been here and we have really given people music and we still standing. We are preparing kugira ngo uri omowe na tumushicho reggae music, raga music ebyeshongore byaravu kureba ngo that there will be a colorful one. So tuenda kusima mnonga kandi tuenda kubeta kugira ngo muje hagire kandi muje kare kugira ngo tere kintu kare muriye munywe ekintu tambro misho biti twenka Gist Band we are preparing kandi tubyamire tuje kuba itugamba na music. We don't even talk with words. So whoever is there and you like or you enjoy live music, this is your time. Make sure that you mark the date. You come enjoy the live music from the source, and that is the Gist Band. Thank you so much. A Banks, Ningsima Mnonga, our director, Ningsima Mnonga, our Yapano, DJ, Spin, Doctor, Noah Kawogu, and he has been our friend since day one. We thank you so much. JK is our producer, Niwo Mani. and he has been also in the band na vyetegerezaje Mitego. Otherwise, let's meet on that day. Thank you so much.
Well, I want to take this opportunity to thank everybody that organized Bia Konyama Festival. And I would love to thank you guys for considering female. We have a challenge in this town that every time there is a concert, a function, we are always neglected. If you think I'm lying, check for the past 1 month posters in this town and show me a woman. So we are so humbled. Thank you for loving us. Yes, thank you for loving us. Thank you for caring about us. Otherwise, people don't know what women hold. You guys should come on 25th and see what the girls from this land have. Otherwise, I'll see you then. Love you so much. Thank you for the opportunity. Ngebare kuija kandi ndagambira bakiga mwena humuri. This is our time. Ngisha mareba kana kanyu kara shininga. I would be so humble kubareba mwena kandi tukashemererwa. Twabakiga tugiraga happiness. Yes. So we have to get to him to the name. Thank you so much.
All right. Yagamba chintu cyabakiga ntuzako watune unenturire tukwe.
Itwa comedian tumuteka techireho turinde next edition ninga tu stamahansi.
So Moyo TV ni uvuze cyawe tubigaruka mu runo.
Kanuzire ekibuze kinkubuza twamanyo bwire buringwa kanuzire etandikire aha bwenchi oshazireho kugira ngo ogigure obwiro kandi we have been supporting you otakajiguraga twire turiyo mu kizikiza ninga.
Okay, I think questions are done. Okay.
Yeah, thank you so much. Niza kubanza necha Karian of course. Nyabo de kangambire echo kwijana mama wangu then face painting abajukwere bushecho nikishubu. Then ekinde kitwagamba ngo necha free of charge no kutahamu. Okay? Okutahamu no kuza kuba kuryo kwabusa. Konkebera ko abantiga nabarabanze. Abantiga nabarabanze. Abonza kubantu bahereza echo kurya necho konyono tamu tukabi. Urakwate bia agure nyama, urakwate nyama agure bia. Okay? Echo nechinde kinanyenda kuterezamu. Konkebine byo kugira ngo mweshongoze ngo hati ngutino mweshongoze nanka ngumwene muza kuterezo omutwaro kutahamo nedda. Naba kugira ngo terezo omutwaro no bantu baza kwenyama. Tukwe? Okay, very good. So now, echindi ine Moyo TV chi yabuza ngo habwenji katutwire ntukora okugokora grand opening nuwe out yokereza mba customer bit, okay? Because mutwire no mutwagera ko ngati nkahura tumukahuriraga ngo nutujyangu twaza kwigura kanuzire kiri koko muntu yakubayine banywane be akombe kenju yeye dena katituramo we na family yeye na nabataha abendo bakija konkara abatakijaga because tabakamanyaga ngo nkombeka, okay? So kanuzire mutwire numwisha harimo abari kujimanya konkari yaba batwire batakujimanya kandi abutwenda kujimanyisa ngo egizireki ngweruho, okay? Kandi ntekateka kujya ngo tukakora go mukoro go kura ngo ntuyigura tukozereza Valentine's na no celebrating in fact ito tuka celebrating aga to kubasa gukora anniversary kandi utakiguraga ati wote katandikire bakubarira batema. So mbwenu anniversary zizi muza kutandika kuzihurira ubutwa atandika kwigura ubutwaza gukora grand opening mbwe twaza kutandika gukora anniversaries abo kwanza kubantu bara obwiro butwayigurireho tube nibwe twabariraho, okay? So nico kituretero kugira ngo tukore grand opening abo kutwatangiye tukombeka abantu bija mwatwagera konka tukubetaga ngo tushitame tunywe kumwe tushemerwe kumwe batweshongore ibyo tukabukozire obuturukora nubwa house party just obwo munju ubwa wizini njo kurebera hat stage yitu neza kubera hansi kandi kimbiye mutakarebere kandi kitwena ngo tutandikira aho de tukumizeho. Comedians. Comedians stage yitu atekaho tutireho stage eri open waba no manyangu yo comedy yawe ya TikTok kandi no hurano enda kugira ngo umuntu akurebe nco tuteri nza kuba twine stage nunje munonga nza kuhereza stage okay MCs nyene ngwecho mukimanye tukwenda ngo tukoza beshongozi bonka because 20 ngo nyonyenka ukuza kuba radio presenter ngatandikira mu kuba comedian. I was once a comedian kongate kaba gentleman. I'm now a radio presenter so teacher comedian. Shana chaitats. So now mbwene buri muntu wena ine talent ye nco tuyihiro mukasheshe inabi ine talanta ningashina bi ine talent iziri gukora umwirimo. Yes. Amgana abuziri gukora umwazi. Ombwire bwo mwazi kumurije babahereza cyo twakora day and night. Abarabe bine talent zo kugira ngo nyo wabantu abanje n'abantu abihango so nani ugamba n'abantu kora any communication with people nintegwa kora mu ihango mu kiro nimba ntaro abihango nayo time neza kubegizire ki twine ba professional MCs kandi twine organizer mununje munonga ntisa kuba ntwikeza ngo umuntu we no raba ine talent tumuhereza ke ireke na wakore kandi ayireke cyagizire ki ecyayine. Okay, then achikwatire na nenyama tukuja ngo itwe yes turaba Kanuzi Pork Joint and Restaurant konka argorgor naku nza shanera betaroho nembwa konka bindi byona niza kuba bigizireke embuze niza kocebwa inkoko niza kocebwa ebyenyanja byocebwe chips bikaranje buri kimwe cyonosha yente mwijane nayo ndije konka.
Yes, thank you very much. Koka chiyana yegeza ho kumanyisa twine every type of meat. Kandi twine professional chef. Numaza kureba abantu bari different duo ya chef Ramesh neza kuberho so you just know muza kuba mwine enyama tender enyama nungi kandi enyama yona tuko so otakajiro tokwe hari empu niyonka no. Yes, we are Kanuzi Pork Joint and Restaurant but erizoba tuzakuba twine every type of meat because it's beer kunyama. So abanyamahure mwe nabija mwe bari mnonga and thank you for the love and the support. Kana nyenda my team mbaze mwija abantu babarebe. You've been my good. Please come chap. Mwije mwakira habia mwije. My team, come, please. Chap. Bianca, Shaila, please come. You're not already shy. Why are you shy? Why are you shy? Ifa, please come for beers, man. Well, come for your beers and the nyama. Hey, okay. I've been having a great team, a big one. Oma, where are you? It is okay. So these are the full soldiers of Beer Kunyama Festival, strong grand opening of Kanuzi Pork Joint and Restaurant, and Team A Banks event. Okay? So this is a team that has been behind Okuhika Aburiyomowena. Na ishamu Rubatera Kashan Karunji. Rubatera Kashan Karunji. Ryawo mukaga tinakasichi akasiga kwa kariyaha ebinyanya okulia okuroza kachebezo nabija akasichi wabura so ebirabena biza kwa ryawo mukaga akasikaryaha make sure mutu wakatekayo kaduje no manyenda wacha surprise no wasakure mwe
agashaba yebishije tutandika abatarukushika y'abatwabuze mu y'abatwabuye mesaje kwimsya gambira abantu tukora business n'etambumisho kandi no kwitaba kugira batakizere ngo bamaze kugira ngo yahe wake kandi kiri cyakandi ekitereremo biya kunyama no kugira ngo biya ekivuro cyo kushoroza kugira ngo tuyabantu senda muri yango dr bitina beshongozi bingi na badijeze bingi kandi bashoje no kugira ngo umuntu agure biya agure nyama biya dena shemerwe hatike tugayingira kugira ngo twabarinde izo expense tutiremo kandi bashemerwa n'abakasta customer kandi kugira ngo tutandika gukora akazi tukopeninga so tuturite kugira ngo tu opening kwitu nuko kurata celebrating anniversary nuko kurata oka tuzaza kugira ngo tuyigure rero tutareze kuyigura tutandika kuma celebrating anniversaries zo kumanchereza aba customer betu kusabwire cyane mu cyumba cyona tutekaho for free donc atu no kubanza tuyigura ari tutareze kuyigura tutareze cyane cyo gukora ibintu biragana bete za kugura shaha bete za kugura shahi biri abo kwita shahi biri za kwata tanti kuteka konka MC za besho mu performance zona za kwa nstandika shahi na zo mukasheshe then zo kugumuzamu paka kasheshe kani chaka so tubeta muje tushemererwe niyo bari kutagera tubasima kandi muje twatanze ni twa no ku Sunday biranga mutaka mushira best